Having trouble playing a TS file or wondering why your video seems split across multiple files? This is a transport stream format used in broadcast television recording and IPTV streaming. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play, convert, and merge these video stream files. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one Premiere TS file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. TS files are MPEG Transport stream video files used in digital broadcasting, DVR recordings, Blu-ray discs, and HTTP live streaming. They contain multiplexed video audio and subtitle streams, with error correction designed for environments where data loss is possible, such as terrestrial or satellite broadcast transmission. MPEG Transport stream files use fixed 188-byte packets with sync bytes, PID identifiers, and continuity counters for error detection. Video is typically encoded in H.264 or H.265 with AAC or AC3 audio. The packetized structure allows stream joining, splitting, and random access without full file parsing. Historically, the main tool for managing the TS type has been VLC Media Player by Videoland Project. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows handles common video formats well, though some files need external codecs or players. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your TS file, then click Open With. Test VLC Media Player if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If your TS file will not open, do not worry. Because the TS format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, playing TS files. Open the TS file in VLC Media Player, which handles transport stream files, natively including multitrack audio and subtitle streams. Use the audio and subtitle menus to select alternate tracks if available. Most modern media players, including MPC-HC and Pop Player, also support TS playback. Next, converting to MP4. Use FFmpeg to remux the TS file to MP4 without re-encoding, using the command FFmpeg, I input, jaltis, C copy output, MP4 for a fast lossless container conversion. If the TS contains incompatible streams, use Handbrake to transcode to H.264 MP4 with selectable audio track and subtitle options. Finally, merging multiple TS files. DVR recordings and streaming downloads often split into sequential TS files. Merge them using FFmpeg with a concat file listing each TS file. Name then run FFmpeg, fconcat, ilist.txt, C copy output, MP4 to join all segments into a single continuous MP4 file without re-encoding. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.